Hey, what's up guys? Did you seriously think I was done installing carbon fiber pieces after installing those rear bumper splitters slash extenders? Well, now I got some carbon fiber side skirts for you. Bam! So these are the carbon fiber side skirts that I got online. They look really good. Just needs to be cleaned up a little bit. But let's put these up to my car to see how they look. So the side skirts only came with double-sided tape. I don't think that's going to cut it, especially with this being such a long piece. If your stock side skirt isn't completely clean, the tape is not going to adhere really well, and going at high speeds, I don't want to lose this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill some holes on the bottom so I can mount it using some screws and the double-sided tape. This is the front side of the side skirt. This little curve right here that runs all the way down, that could be held on by double-sided tape along with that flat piece. But if you look at your stock side skirt, there's a flat piece that runs along right in this area. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip this around and I'm gonna drill some holes so I can mount it using screws. The only issue is this is about 1 inch thick, but it's hollow. So I'm gonna drill some pilot holes that won't go all the way through, just enough to remove this top layer so I can put a screw through that hole that will come through here. Actually very similar to the front splitter, the God hand splitter. So as you can see here, double-sided tape all the way around, and it's a really thick piece. So I drill some holes, but enough so I can sneak in a drill and a screw right through here, which will mount this edge to the bumper. Let's get to it. Okay, so I'm going to drill about halfway across the side skirt. So right about there. Remember, you don't want to go all the way through. Here you see, there's a hole. It's enough for me to put a screw in and be able to mount this flat surface to the stock side skirt. I just got to run this probably about a couple more times down the length of the carbon fiber side skirt. Okay, all my holes are drilled. I think I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 holes. So 6 screws should be enough to hold this up. So now for some trusty rubbing alcohol to really clean the surface before I apply the double-sided tape.